and then break another low, which if we're bearish we will do, but if we're bullish sometimes we do this, but it's not too often. And if we do it, we're probably gonna go for like a sweep here internally. Still doesn't mean downside though. Again, this is lower probability. It's up to you if you want to take it. It's off a high time frame sweep into a 1 hour supply, but at the end of the day these are counter trend trades. I like to take mostly pro trend trades like these, but I'm gonna give this a shot just for a 1-to-1. No, I did not take the IFG after previous high sweep. I was looking for it. I think my mic might have been muted, or someone said the music was too loud when I was saying it, so maybe you guys didn't hear me. But no, I missed this trade. I had a limit order here set at the OB entry model, and price just never tapped. Price never came back and hit me in. I was looking for just a small 1-to-1, because this is counter trend. So yeah, I missed that setup there. There's a flip you could take, but this is technically not in 50%, or it's not in 50% discount, unless you want to draw your range like this. I will say though, let's see, if we go to another time frame, maybe it's 5 minute. I still see more upside on NQ, like for sure. So pretty bullish. We could take something like this. This is technically, if you use the whole entire range, not 50% level. We did already miss a scalp, so try taking something like this if you want, or you wait for the PY below. The only thing that's adding confidence to this is that this zone did flip this past supply, but otherwise this is a trade that's definitely taken higher up in the leg than typical. Gold so far is moving in our direction. If you expect a big move, if you want to go for a big target, you can go for a pretty big short, man. With this entry, you definitely can. You're off to work? Alright, I'll see you later, man. First day on a funded green payout soon. Let's go. Yeah, man, keep it up, man. As long as you got your risk management in check, I think you're good to go, man. That was like I think your main thing with your other account. Make sure your risk management is in check. Make sure you don't like oversize on stuff, you know. Make sure you're actually doing 1/10 of max drawdown. In my opinion, that's the best. Otherwise, you're not letting your edge play out. We barely missed 1-to-1 here. Actually, what even is this one? Damn, we barely missed it. The TP for 1-to-1. Because we hit this demand, like I said. We already mitigate demand here, so the next demand is here. You can go break even on this short if you want. I'm gonna try to like avoid taking break-even trades on stream if I can, and just let them play out. But this is a 1-to-1. I could have also had aggressive stop loss. Actually, looking at hindsight, would have already hit 1-to-1. Let's see, NQ, gold. You can move your stop also here for gold. Hey Stampede, it's been a minute, it's been a while. Oh wow, you're giving money for free? I mean, I've been calling trades for a while on streams, it's just not every day. Again, we barely missed a TP here. Is that one tick off? 2 ticks off from TP. Expected. Could move your stop to break even here on this short if you want. NQ so far running nicely. I'm in this long on NQ. Target is for 6 RR. 6 whole RR. My stop loss closer. But yeah, that's the target for me on NQ. Gold, you went break even, hit your break even. Like I said, this is a lower probability trade. It's not as good as the NQ one, personally, my opinion. It's kind of a trend, so you could reduce your stop loss, take a break even. I feel like if we break above that high, it's probably not gonna hold for shorts. NQ so far, we got a nice 1 RR so far on NQ. People that want to just be scalping today. If you used aggressive stop loss, which I didn't look at before, but it's almost 2R here. Since I'm streaming, we can just test some stuff out. Why not? NQ. Low key, I don't mind taking a full loss on gold if we can get this 6R and NQ, so let's see. NQ would be a banger trade. Gold is rejecting. We could maybe hit our 1-to-1 target here on gold. Maybe. Can't say much there, but NQ is running. Again, so far I am up 5R on the day. With just 1 long on gold before. And I'm currently holding this here. How you guys do for the week so far, though? Guys, green, red, what's going on with y'all? Talk to me. Alright, get the webcam on. Okay, currently in this setup here on NQ. It is pushing, my goodness. Let's go. On gold, I am reducing my stop loss, by the way. I'm moving my stop to the internal high, okay? So I'm gonna take like a very tiny loss on gold if it continues higher. It's not gonna be a big loss, really. Green on the week, nice. Anyone in this trade with me? Let's cook, let's cook. Up almost 6R right now. You could TP here if you don't want to get greedy. Sometimes I do go for crazy targets. This is already 4RR. Or if you want to go for the high, you also can. If we want to reject here, we would be looking for something like this to the downside. If we want to go higher, we just push for the highs. I'm bullish overall, but it doesn't mean, like I said, that we can't get a retracement here. How much are we up right now? 4R. Again, if you want to close here, feel free to. You're already up for a sword. Some people go for hold for full targets, like me, for some trades. Others don't. Completely up to you. We are buying high, I will say. So it wouldn't be bad to close, okay? Again, I already called this entry out. This is the Forest Ward. Most strategies don't even make Forest Ward. So this is a lot of P&L here. They can just take off right now. I'm gonna go break even, obviously, for sure in this trade. There's no reason for us to do this, in my opinion. I feel like if this holds here, we're gonna go lower here for this. So I don't want that to happen. I'm going break even here on this. Green on the week, nice, nice, nice. Stampede, you said too late for the stream to enter on that trade. Yeah, you can always rewatch though if you want to hear my analysis on why I took this trade here. I was honestly thinking about closing. Let me see. ES did go to 50%. We've already taken out one. We've taken out already a lot of set of highs. I will say though, we should be going for that 1 hour high, but we are in 1 hour supply, so I'm keeping that in mind. But I'm gonna hold here to see. Nice, there we go, y'all. 1 hour TP hit on gold right here. Who took the gold short with me here? We got 1 R out of this. Again, I'm not looking for a big move here. We can definitely get a big move. This is counter trend, so I'm not looking for anything crazy. The stop loss held. Just nice 1 R here. It's a 1 R. Let's see if NQ can get this TP, man. Today's I'm feeling like today. Today's gonna be a good day. All right, we already have 1 R, 5 R, and this 6 R playing out right now. We just need ES to. ES just went up to mitigate the supply. I feel like we need to not hold this. If we do hold that again, I could see something like this. Let's see. 4.6 R right now if we want to close. Again, most of my trades, like, they're winners. It's just like a matter of how much R do you want to take. Like for them, ES just hit supply, which, like I said, I see us going all the way down here if this supply holds. NQ looks stronger right now than ES, so let's see if we can get this nice little TP on stream. I also missed some setups today, man. There's some really nice setups, man. So, unfortunate. All right. No, what am I turning you close? There we go. I don't know what happened there. Sometimes it's whenever like I switch tabs, stupid Stream View just, I don't know, it gets weird. Anyway, let's go. I turn on my ring light so the light looks better for stream. Let's get this 6R, baby. See what ES is doing. Nice, we had a nice little failure on ES. She's going for a TP here. Let's go, let's go. Nice. Let me check. There we go, yep, him at the TP. Let's go. Let's go. Anyone take that, man? Come on, there's no way I'm giving out free money here. You guys aren't taking these trades, bro. 6 risk reward. It's been a while since I caught a 6R trade that hit TP that quick. That's why I'm so excited. Like if you see like some of my other trades, bro, I had a trade like this 4R took a whole hour. I had a really nice trade on gold from last night, but you can see how this trade literally lasted me the whole entire day. Like I held this, honestly I'm not awake during this whole time. I just set and forget, but it's a 10R trade, which is super nice, bigger than my 6R, but I had to hold for literally 12 hours. There we go, guys. There we go. Again, 50%. This would be your inducement, for example, if you want to use that. Nice. You took it almost past your combine. Let's get it. Finally, man. After a week of rough price action from, I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago, we finally got something nice, man. Oh, dude, I could low-key just end the day here, man. I'm up a lot. I'm up 12 RR. If you want to hold the gold trade, you could literally go for like a 3R here. I would be targeting this here if you're going for a gold trade. Damn, this thing's about to go for 3R. Mad, insane, man. Delete the text so it doesn't clutter the chart. Man, who took this, man? Type 1 in the chat if you took the longs. I need to see more of you guys in the streams, man. Again, if you don't understand my strategy, man, check out the course or the mentorship. I teach exactly how you get precise entries like these. Like literally, look at this precision. It's insane. It's like 6.5R. Now gold is going for the 3R. Sheesh. I'll turn on the executions here. Again, here's a link to the course or mentorship if you guys are interested in signing up and joining and learning from me directly one-on-one. But otherwise, watch the streams. Maybe you could take something from it. I think we could definitely still go higher though from here with NQ because ES hasn't taken out the high yet. Like I said, I did say, you know, NQ was stronger, so I don't think this SMT is gonna hold. It's a good thing we didn't go lower here, went higher. Nice, let's get it. 3R TP for people that held the gold short, man. Literally 3R. That's 9 risk reward you could have made. And people say you can't make 100 risk reward in a month. Like 10R in a single day is not that hard once you master a good system. You guys want me to stay on to catch more trades, or you guys want me to call it a day here for stream? Today was a quick stream. Like I said, the trades hit TP quick. That's what you like to see.